At the end of a project, you might think some things went well, and some things could have been better. In this video, we'll bring a group together for a retrospective where we collect feedback about a recent project, organize themes on the board, and vote on next steps to make our future projects even better. When we collect feedback in our retrospective, our conversation has a clear structure to follow. Today, we'll keep the focus on 4 questions. What helped us move forward? What held us back? How could we do things differently? And what should we do next? Each question has sticky notes close by for participants to add their thoughts. The goal here is to write 1 idea per sticky. That way, everything has equal weight and we can move things around later on. Once we've gathered everyone together, Miro can help us create focused, heads-down time for the group. Let's set a timer for 5 minutes and play some background music while we answer the first question. Participants can use the stickies on the board or press tab while typing to generate new stickies. When the timer ends, we'll move on to the next question. Once we have our feedback, we can organize themes. This helps us digest the information so that we can quickly surface the areas that need attention. Working together, we can move stickies around the board to form themes. We can add rectangular labels by pulling the edge of a square sticky to expand it. Another option is to hold down Shift and select multiple sticky notes. Release the Shift key, click Cluster Objects from the menu, and create a new cluster. The sooner we organize the feedback, the sooner we can get to answering the question, what should we do next? After some discussion with the team, we're ready to hold a vote on next steps. In Miro, participants can cast anonymous votes on the same sticky notes we just generated. Click the voting icon and determine how many votes each participant should get. Then, start the vote. After the session ends, results are automatically counted and shared with everyone on the board. Now that we know what really matters to the team, we can move the top voted stickies to this final section and put our plan into action. Speaking of next steps, check out Miroverse to explore a variety of retrospective templates. With so many options, you can find just the right fit for your needs or change it up to keep things interesting. Mission accomplished. We've gathered valuable insights and agreed on a strategic plan.